Hi, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Just for Your Ears podcast, where we explore tales that inspire, enlighten, and spread positivity around. I hope you're all doing well and are ready for another captivating story that's sure to leave a lasting impression on you. In today's episode, we delve into a short yet profound tale that carries a powerful message about forgiveness and the importance of letting go of resentment. Join me as we embark on this journey together, exploring the impact of holding on to bitterness and the transformative power of embracing forgiveness. The name of the story is Carrying Tomatoes, A Journey to Forgiveness. Once, a teacher asked her students to bring some tomatoes in a plastic bag to school. Each tomato was to be given the name of a person whom the child hates. So, the number of tomatoes would be equal to the number of persons they hate. On a predetermined day, the children brought their tomatoes well addressed. Some had two, some had three, some had five, and some even had 20 tomatoes in accordance with the number of people they hated. The teacher then told them they had to carry the tomatoes with them everywhere they go for 2 weeks. And the days passed, the children started to complain about the decay and smell of the tomatoes. The students who had many tomatoes complained it was very heavy to carry and the smell was too much. After a week, the teacher asked the students, "How did you feel this week?" The children complained of the awful smell and heavy weight of the tomatoes, especially those who carried several of them. The teacher said, "This is very similar to what you carry in your heart, children, when you don't like some people. Hatred makes the heart unhealthy, and you carry the hatred everywhere. If you can't bear the smell of spoiled tomatoes for a week, imagine the impact of bitterness on your heart as you carry it daily. The heart is a beautiful garden that needs regular cleaning of unwanted weeds. Forgive those who have angered you. This makes room for storing good things. Only love can remove hatred. Cultivate unconditional love in you. Your way of living should spread love. The way you respond, act, speak, in listening, in work, in everything that you do. The key takeaway from the story is the importance of forgiveness in our lives. Just as carrying around rotting tomatoes becomes a burden and affects us negatively, holding on to hatred and resentment weighs down our hearts and impacts our well being. Forgiveness is presented as a way to lighten the load, cleanse the heart, and make room for love and positivity. It emphasizes the need to let go of bitterness, cultivate unconditional love, and spread kindness in our interactions and relationships. Ultimately, it highlights the transformative power of forgiveness in promoting inner peace and fostering healthier connections with others. Forgiveness and love truly have the power to lighten our hearts and enrich our lives. Embracing love and practicing forgiveness can bring about inner peace and foster healthier relationships with others. It's a reminder to tend to our hearts we would do to a garden, nurturing love and letting go of bitterness and resentment. Always remember, get better, not bitter. Hope you all enjoyed the small but yet strong tale. I will come back to you with yet another interesting story next week. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and especially spread forgiveness and live in peace. Bye.